Hi guys, White Witch 110 here. We have a snowstorm. They've been calling for it for a few days now. As you can see, this has been falling since off and on yesterday, and then at some point during the night it started and it continues. I think it's supposed to end this evening sometime. People are starting to go home. Not us. We are still here. Yep. Still here. And even you can, you can just see that lonely tree. Wow. Hi guys, White Witch 110 here. This is our snowstorm. Traffic's not that bad. We actually took a cab home. I was surprised. It only was 7 minutes we had to wait. There's the parking pad that you're used to seeing. Empty. Yeah, it was only 7 minutes. The guy was really good, very skillful, got us home. I did think about asking him to stop so we could get something from Burger Priest, but not all cabs will shut it off when you're going to pick food up, so I decided no, I wouldn't do that. But there, we actually have snow on the balcony. And do we have snow on the balcony? Inside. Oh, even on top of there. Yeah, some of this stuff actually stayed green. This guy, I was surprised it was still on. I don't know what we're gonna have to eat, but I suppose we'll find something. Ooh. That guy. I put all the rest of them inside. I guess I should take this one in too. Put that in there. Put it in with my rosemary. Okay. I wonder if I was stepping on my... Oh, I was so close to it. But yeah, this is what it is. A lot of the buses are being canceled. None of the ones that we were taking were. But you can see there how it's sitting on the tree. It's not too cold, of course, because it's snowing. Crows are going home. Oh, more of them. I don't even know if you can see them. Oh, pigeons. Pigeons and crows. Okay. Well, take it easy if you're enjoying. If you're also getting this, be careful out there driving. Till the next time, ciao for now.